After a very, very long time, I am coming to Dargah of Abdul Rahman Shah Baba. This is a Dargah that I am deeply connected with. I don't know the reasons. Right from the time I was a child, I used to pass from here with my mother. I must have been 9 or 10 years old. And from this way, we would reach Hazrat Abbas's Dargah. I am a Shia Muslim. And so my mother was a devotee of that Dargah at Pala Gali. But this Dargah was registered in my mind. And then the 100th Urus of Abdul Rahman Shah Baba I shot. And then I don't know what has been happening. I was connected and I started coming here. I shot 1 or 2 more Urus. And thanks to Rahman Saab, the trustee of this Dargah, and his team, I have had a lot of support. And they have been very kind to me. And I have shot the Dongri police Sandal. I have also, but even today, how are you feel, sir? Just do one thing, just hold it this way. Yeah, one minute. So, thanks to my friend here, at least I can show my face to you all. This Dargah has a deep, deep connection. I don't know what it is. It can be spiritual, it can be non-spiritual, but it is cultural. Because Sufism is a sweetness that I want to share with everybody. I mean, you can be anything. And in Sufism, you can be a Hindu and still be a good human being. This is the meaning of Sufism. Thank you. So this is the Dargah that I am deeply attached to. And today at home, after making food for my kids, I decided to come here. I met Nasir Bhai, my guru from Qadri Rafai Silsila. And then I came here and I thought of shooting a video. So Rahman Saab and all the other people connected to this Dargah, the Khadims of this Dargah, the Mujawir of this Dargah, they've all been kind and nice to me. Right. They've all been kind and nice to me. So I make it a point of showing you Dongri, the Sultan of Dongri, Abdul Rahman Shah Baba, Qadri. And these are all, this is the Dongri. Assalamualaikum. कैसे आप? ठीक है, तबीयत कैसी है आपकी? अल्लाह का करम है बस. अच्छा, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. So these are the people that I am connected to, and they are all followers of Abdul Rahman Shah Baba.
You are not visiting Nailwadi Qabristan?
No.
Visit there is big 500.
अभी तक बुलावा नहीं आया.
आप आओ तो सही गुलाब शाह की दरगाह है.
I'm just connected to a few dargahs only. Assalamualaikum बाबा, ठीक है ना तबीयत पानी? सब ठीक है. ठीक. Assalamualaikum. So Assalamualaikum. तबीयत पानी कैसा आपका? So, and this is the Loban. Excuse me. This is the Loban, and this is the poor waiting for the blessings of the Lord. Abdul Rahman Shah Baba. This is the pride of Dongri. This is the pride of Dongri. I mean, every road from Bhindi Bazaar leads to Dongri. And this is the holy saint Abdul Rahman Shah Baba of Dongri. People who do not want to ask God directly come to this Sufi shrine, requesting the holy saint, invoking him to help them in their need. And he hears their voice and he takes care of them. And this is faith and fidelity and the sweetness of Sufism. So this is the faith and fidelity of Sufism. This is the sweetness of Sufism that I try to portray through my videos. And my videos are about human hearts, human beings, beyond caste, color or creed. There is no Hindu, Muslim, Shia, Sunni. There is nothing. There is just the beauty of Sufism touching human hearts. And that is why people come here and take the blessings of this holy saint, Abdul Rahman Shah Baba. Today I was a bit restless, so I decided to come here. I just decided to come here. I met Nasir Bhai at Hisamuddin Baba's Dargah. I had some work with the jewelers at Bhindi Bazaar, and then my legs were pulled here. I get wings and I come here. And now I shall be heading home back. And this is Abdul Rahman Shah's Dargah. And this is the gate. This is Dammadar Beda Par.